Hello, my name is Chris. I'm French, but I currently live in Liverpool in the north of England. From the 20th to the 29th of March 2018, I was in the Netherlands to visit Amsterdam and its surroundings. Here is day number 2 of my trip. Good morning. So it's Wednesday the 21st. It's around 8:15, around 4 degrees Celsius. So today I'm going to visit the city center and the canals. So here are the canals, and here is the city center. I decided to walk there instead of taking a train to Amsterdam Central Station. I noticed there was some sort of long park going from Sloterdijk to the city center, so I just walked along it. It turned out to be a good idea because it was really green and calm. There were a lot of people running and cycling. I saw and heard a lot of birds. I saw cute tiny houses and boats. Then I finally got to the first ring of canals and the discovery began. I saw the typical rows of houses, boats passing by, boats being used as houses, floating houses. These are also some floating houses, bikes, a lot of bikes. Another one of these. Even more boats. And even more typical tall houses. This house is not straight at all. And even some cats. I really had a great time exploring the canals. But as someone interested in photos and videos, I found it very challenging for so many reasons. And to put it in one word, I think it was overwhelming. I have seen so many pictures of Amsterdam, but it was my first time there. So I really wanted to have a truly new outlook on this city. And every corner was rich in little details. The baby car again. I tried to capture it in the most personal way that I could during these few days. I hope you enjoy all of these details that I captured and that I'm showing you. There's a dog store apparently. Nice, so I think I'm arriving nearly at basically the center of the center. Then I got closer to the city center. That's the main square of Amsterdam, of the city center, and that's the Royal Palace. I decided to visit the Royal Palace. It was not on my list, but I was tempted. The entrance fee is 10 euros for an adult if you're interested. I don't want to spoil anything, so I will just show you a few clips. After that, I wandered in some commercial streets of the city center, which are heavily aiming at tourists. Now I'm back at the central station where I was yesterday evening. At the Cheese Inn. There's a cheese store again. Toward the end of the afternoon, I ended up in a coffee shop because I always like to try the local cuisine when I travel. Nice. And Amsterdam's special salads is part of that. Then I made my way back to the hotel. The salad experience was not the brightest idea, and finding my way back was a slow process, but I made it. I even managed to film and take pictures as the sun was setting. So that was a very good day, even though it was a bit blurry towards the end. Here are some of the pictures that I took that day. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Like, share and subscribe if you did. And most importantly, I hope you had a good day. I will see you in the next video. Bye.